Online team, good evening. Kindly please wait for a couple of minutes. You know, in a offline session, the room changed actually. The premises got changed. We need your patience. Thank you. హరి గారు ఇది షేక్ అవుతుంది మేబీ ఏ ఫ్యాన్ తీయాలి ఆ? అవునా ఒకటి తీసి అన్నీ అవుతాయా యా గుడ్ వీఆర్ సారీ ఫర్ ఇన్కన్వీనియన్స్ మేబీ ఐ డోంట్ నో even I just I got information room is changed actually we'll get back our room. I like that room man am I right I like that room actually oh back to the session based on convenient online team you have to cooperate actually today offline room changed actually that room is not digesting slowly by slowly kindly wait for some time good let us start everyone bought laptops tell me good so fine today we'll do one thing anyway room also changed right let us plan only for that one mm. This is something like Everest actually let us plan for today kind of Jupyter installation Jupyter so Jupyter setup Jupyter software setup environment setup okay 38 the date is 24 it won't take much time Jupyter environment setup sir good and here also we need to list out softwares list what is the list actually softwares list now first what we done installation sir first Java we done right am I right yeah Python we done next one is pandas very good today let us just try to focus all libraries try to open excel cv open py excel am I right open what is that one py excel am I right yeah this one also we need to install and any third one more library called xlrd xlrd then and what is the next one sir come again very good boss lxml fifth one is lxml then now today the sixth one will be let us try for Jupyter let us try for what exactly Jupyter I would like to say running topic start in hurry okay okay ఉండండి ఓ 5 to 10 minutes దగ్గరలోనే ఉండండి ఓకే good good only this one is problem I guess good Fine. Yeah, all right. Can I close this one? We already done, right? Yeah. Mm. If anyone joined just now, we are starting the session. Now the today topic name is a Jupyter installation. What is the today topic name? Jupyter installation. Now let me tell you, sir. Let us take a any Python program. I mean, so if you're taking about the program, if you're taking about what exactly program. So till now I have explained the process. What is the process? So the process will be I'm using Notepad plus what exactly, sir? Command prompt. Notepad plus what exactly? Command prompt. We are using Notepad to write a program. Command prompt to run the program. That is a frankly speaking best way. What is that one, sir? There is no alternative. That is the best way. If you know how to practice by using a Notepad, seriously amazing, sir. Right? And next one will be today. Let me help you by using Jupyter. Also, we can do by using what exactly? Jupyter. You should not pronounce something like a Jupiter. Few students they may spell out. Can I say Jupiter? No, no, no. So this is the Jupyter. What is this one? Jupyter actually. That two spelling will be not Jupiter. What is the spell out actually? Jupyter. Offline team, open your laptops actually. Open your laptops. Good. If anyone didn't bring laptop, don't worry. And the very first step is connect with your hotspot actually. Don't ask me on my hotspot, right? On your hotspot. Hmm. I'm starting in another 1 minute. Come on, please. I hope you started your missions. Good. So look at my screen. Sir, first of all, Jupyter is a, so it's a kind of environment, data science environment. Data science, what exactly? Environment. The purpose of this one, we can write programs. We can write and run. We can, what exactly, sir? Write and run programs actually. Keep in mind that when I'm talking about the Jupyter, we can write the program, we can run the program. So the beauty will be where we can write and run the program, over website. Over what exactly? Website actually. Over the web, I would like to say. And when I say over web, you should know a kind of some Chromo or else Firefox or else Internet Explorer. These are all things actually. Team, are you clear? Good. Now let me show you today. It's a right time you need to understand how to do setup. Setup for Jupyter. Setup for what exactly? Jupyter. If you want, go back. There is a topic. The topic name is a come here and the Python. Mm, what is it? What is the third topic name? Can you tell me? Tell me, sir. Open this one and here ways to write a Python program. These are all different ways actually. Click on this one. Now we can write Python program in many ways, like by using Notepad, Notepad Edit Idle, and what is this one? Jupyter. Today I'm showing this environment actually. Team, are you with me? Good. Let me show you. Yeah, good. First, what we need to do, Jupyter is a kind of some web application. Jupyter is kind of what exactly? Jupyter is a kind of web application. I will tell you what do you mean by web application. Remember that word. You have to read this word 3 times, sir. Come on, tell me. First time, second time, last time. Repeating one more time. Jupyter is a kind of web application. What application? Web application. Now let me show you how to install. Let me show you what exactly how to install. How to install, very simple, sir. Very simple actually. The very first one is you need to open command prompt. You need to open what exactly? I hope you know how to open command prompt. Then we need to run below command. We need to run what exactly? Below command. What is that command name? Pip install Jupyter. Pip install what exactly? Jupyter. This command name we need to run actually. Let me run in front of you. First of all, let me uninstall. Let me uninstall. Look at my screen, everyone, please. Let me test. Pip uninstall Jupyter. Good. I'm uninstalling. Why? Because I wanted to show you installation. Yeah, uninstall, sir. Once uninstalled, then we need to open a command prompt. We need to open what exactly? Command prompt. That is on, right? Huh? Somewhat okay. If I'm on, if I start this one, gone case actually. AC on in the Yeah, good. Now open command prompt. Windows R actually. Come on. Open command prompt, Windows R, and open CMD. Now here you need to run one command name. What is that command name actually? Jupyter. Sorry, man. Tell me. Pip install Jupyter. One more time. Pip install Jupyter. Last time. Perfect actually. Right? Come on. Let's try everyone. Out of 100 members, I'm sure this command will work for 95 members. Again, 5 members, it may be not work actually. I will help you. If anyone it is not working, I will help you. Sir, many people asked initially during the course, will you cover Jupyter? Will you cover Jupyter? Yes, sir. Is it able to install? Are you getting Jupyter is unable to internal or external command error actually? I need at least one response from me. Getting error? Okay. Pip install Jupyter. Are you getting error like pip is unable to recognize internal or external command error actually? Raise your hand who are all working this command. Okay, good, good, good. And who are all not working, don't worry. I will help you. This installation, it may take on an average, you have to connect with your Wi-Fi, you have to connect with your hotspot actually. On an average, this command may take 2 minutes time. How long time? 2 minutes time. Depends upon your computer capability. Online team, you also please run this command. You guys also please run this command. Uh, good. Srinath sir, install chesara. Okay, sir. No worries, no worries. Cool. Sir, work outunda? Is it working? Fine then. How many of you done? It takes some time. Very good. Who are all already done? Your laptop is installed Anaconda. I will explain Anaconda later. It's good. If anyone is already installed Anaconda, it's good actually. But I don't want to touch that cup of coffee as of now. When I'm talking about the Jupyter, people are getting installing actually. Two things I would like to say. Come on, look at my screen. When I'm talking about the Jupyter, first one you need to understand installation. Next step is how to work with Jupyter. How to work with what exactly? Jupyter. These 2 points I will tell. Now we are here. We are what exactly, sir? Here and keep on installing. Installing. Working? Good. Sir, maybe, I'm sorry, offline team. Net will be gone actually. This night you don't have internet, data to chit chat actually. Is it fine for you? I'm kidding, sir. 5G. Previously, one student, same statement I told, he told, sir, 5G, sir, something like that actually. Come again? Oh, no. Very good, sir. How to work with Jupyter? How many of you not done actually? Still processing. Raise your hand. Still processing, right? I need to wait. I need to wait. Keep on downloading. Yeah, it will keep on download, sir. Keep on download actually. During interview, no one will not ask. No, tell me all those files actually. Harish, good. Lot of files actually. And this environment is really very good one. And as I told you, out of 100 members, 5 members may not work with this command actually. You have to connect with me. I will help you. Last 2 minutes, sir. I need to start the process actually. Done? Okay, good. Who are all not done, raise your hand. Oh, good, good. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will wait. Divya, Kumar, all these guys done. Sir, small request. Whenever you guys are joining for this session, kindly please give your proper name, please. I request you. Did I told you previously? One student have given the name as a Chitti Robo. What is the name actually? Chitti Robo actually. Last 2 minutes. Good. Meanwhile, look at my screen. It will be getting installing. Meanwhile, look at my screen. Once successfully installed, look at my screen, please, everyone. Assuming that successfully installed. After successfully installed, next it's a right time. We need to learn how to work actually. We need to learn what exactly how to work. Sir, it's a very simple process. Please follow this one. Now, let me tell you what is the process. As usual, come to the desktop and create one folder. That folder name will be what exactly? Tell me. Program. Yeah, very good. Folder name is what exactly? Programs only. Now, please come here. Open this one. Open that folder and open command prompt. Open what exactly? Command prompt. Team, are you with me? This process I will explain 2 to 3 times. Why? Because bit important actually. Good. We need to open command prompt. Do let me know what is the command prompt location. Can somebody talk with me? C drive, user, Daniel, respectively. What is the location? Programs. Am I right? Do let me know what all steps I done actually. First, I created a folder. Second, I opened command prompt. Hold on. First, what we need to do is go to the desktop and create a folder. Folder name is what exactly? Programs. And second one will be command prompt. What is the next one, sir? Command prompt. Open command prompt. Open command prompt. Now run command. Run this command actually. This command. What is the command? Jupyter notebook. What is that one, sir? Jupyter notebook. Hold on, everyone. Look at my screen. Look at my screen. Now, just try to come here. As usual, let's open this programs folder. Open command prompt. Now here you need to open. You need to run a command. What is that command name, sir? Jupyter notebook. One more time. Last time. Good. Jupyter notebook. Sir, whenever you are opening this one, automatically it will run some command and by default browser will be opened. What it will be opened? Browser. I hope you know what is a browser actually. Browser means it's a kind of some client actually. Backend, it works like a server. I will show you. Hold on. This you should not close. First point. Whenever you are running this command, backend browser will be open automatically. Let me show you that. Whenever you are hitting this one, it takes some time and it will keep on run actually. Did you notice automatically browser opened? What opened, sir? Browser opened. Did you understand? 3 steps, sir. Step number 1, create a folder. Step number 2, open a command prompt. Step number 3, run a command. What is that command name? Jupyter notebook. So talk with me. Jupyter notebook. Last time, Jupyter notebook. Whenever you are running this command, automatically it hits the browser in your laptop. If Chrome is available, it hits the Chrome. If Firefox is available, it hits the Firefox. If Internet Explorer is available, it hits that one actually by default. So the environment will be like this exactly, right? Here onwards, this is called as a web environment. What environment actually? web environment actually. I hope you know it's a kind of some web browser, something like that. But don't expect these icons in your browser actually. Are you getting or not, sir? This is my bookmark icons actually. Are you clear? Good. Now, once we open this one, go to the new, go to what exactly? New, click on notebook. Click on what exactly? Notebook actually. One more time, go to where exactly? New or old, sir? New. New. Click on, there is a drop down actually. Here you need to click on notebook. Click on this. When you click on notebook, one more browser automatically opened actually. And here you will get a Python 3, something like a kernel actually. By default, what it is coming, keep the same thing actually. And click on, tell me, sir, select, done. 99% setup is done actually. Now I hope you know there is a some environment, there is a one small box actually. It is asking us to write a program here. Generally, till now, what is the process we done? You know, separately we have written a program in a notepad and we save the program, we run the program. Am I right or not, sir? Separately, there are two steps we followed. Step number one, open a notepad, write the program, save the program. Step number two, open a command prompt, run the program. But in this environment, come here, print off. Now just try to write hello. Just try to write what exactly? Hello actually. Now just try to say print of hello I had written. What I had written? Print of hello. Then what is the output actually? Tell me. Tell me, sir. Now how to run, you know? There is a one icon here. That icon name is a something like a, this is the icon, sir. There you need to click actually. Once you are clicking, output also you will get here automatically. That's the beauty. Here onwards, the browser itself, you can write the program, you can run the program, you can check the output immediately. You can check the output what exactly? Immediately. Good. We'll do one thing. Let me create one small string. String is name is called as a Daniel actually. And let me convert into uppercase. Let me convert into what exactly? I need your help, sir. Tell me. S equals to, tell me, Daniel, Daniel, double quote. Then click on here, print off. Tell me S dot. So tell me, sir. Yeah, upper. Now to run this example, what I need to do? Come here, click on this one. Otherwise, second alternative, shift plus enter. What is that one? Shift plus enter. You can press actually. Yeah, exactly. You can get output actually. Conclusion of the story. Till now, what are all examples you've done? All pandas example, all examples you can execute here actually. The beauty will be no command prompt, no notepad actually. Write the program, get the quick output. This is something like a instant coffee, sir. What is that one? I hope you know. What do you mean by instant actually? Just a fraction of a few seconds, I need a coffee, something like that actually. But let me tell you, you like most note, not sir. You have to tell yes actually. Am I right or not? Yeah, good, sir. Now, yeah. And here, title, what is the symbol? And here you can give, whenever you are clicking on this one, hold on. Whenever you are clicking on the time title, yeah, click on this untitle, then it will ask us to title. I would like to say, what I can say, you know, practice one. Practice one actually. Click onto the rename. Click onto what exactly? Rename. Now, what is my file name actually? Do let me know. Practice one. Sir, this is called as a Jupyter file. What file actually? Jupyter file. Now I have a two questions actually. Question number one. To open a Jupyter, what are all things we need to do? Tell me. First one, create a folder. Sir, tell me, sir. Create a folder. Next one, open a command prompt. Third one, we need to run a command. What is the command name? Jupyter Notebook. What is the command name? Jupyter Notebook. Then automatically Jupyter will be open in your directory. What a directory? See, backend, this is called as a server. This you should not close actually. It will be run backend and keep on actually. I will show you one more time. Don't worry. And what is the file name we have renamed actually? Tell me. File name is a practice. Tell me, sir. Now open this one. Here you can see practice one. Here you can see what exactly? Practice one. And one more point will be Python program extension is .py. Java program extension is .java. And the Jupyter file extension is IPYNB. What is that one? IPYNB. I means it's a kind of some IPython. NB means notebook. NB means what exactly? Notebook actually. Sir, for your kind information, once the file is created here, frankly speaking, this you should not open by double click actually. Even if you open, what happens, I will explain step by step. Right. I am closing everything. Second time also I am explaining. Get ready. Are you ready? Raise your hand. Still, how long it is running actually? In your laptop, everyone done? Offline time. Done, right? Very good, man. Good. Let me close everything. Let me close everything actually. Online team, are you following, sir? Still, I can skip the discussion. Why? Because I can say I'm done. But let me explain one more time. What's wrong in that? Can I explain? Or else can I continue the topic? Can I explain? Yeah. I will help you from installation onwards. We do have a material, Jupyter installation. Yeah, I will help you. Let me uninstall first. Jupyter, no. Pip, uninstall Jupyter. It will ask. Whenever you are uninstalling, it will ask confirmation. What is the confirmation? Hey, do you really wanted to proceed? What I need to press? Yes. Why you need to proceed? Yes, I am double sure I wanted to. Yeah. Successfully, what exactly? Uninstall. Installation, it takes a lot of time. Uninstallation, it takes what exactly? Something like this actually. Very quickly. That's the beauty. Good. Now you need to help me. Two things you need to help me. Step number one, how to install. Step number two, how to work actually. But anyway, I will recall one more time. Something like a revise, something like a recap actually. Come on, sir. How to install? It's a very simple. Open a command prompt. 1 minute. Let me delete this. Open a command prompt. Open a command prompt. Yeah, command open. Good. Here you need to run a command. What is that command? Sir, tell me. Pip in Jupyter. Pip install what exactly? Sir, this is the one-time installation. Only one time is enough. Just for your better understanding, I am showing second time actually. And whenever you are installing, ensure that your internet connection should be super fast actually. Otherwise, it takes a lot of time. And it will tell how much memory also, how much data consumed actually. All right. Successfully installed. Let's move to the discussion. Successfully installed. What is this one? Successfully installed Jupyter. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Let's move on. One small point, which is the good book for the core certification, data science certification or data science certification. 1 minute. Sheila ma'am, which is a good book for the core Python certification. I can suggest, generally certification is not required, but if you are still looking for the same, I can suggest one book actually. What is that book name? Core Python Black Book. Core Python Black Book. The author name is R. Nageswara sir. Swararao or Nageswara sir actually. Frankly speaking, he is from Hyderabad. And such a nice book actually. For you guys, not required. So if anyone wanted to explore more and more on Python, this book may help actually. I have this book. Very good. Then this is more than enough. This is more than enough actually. And along with this one, sorry for kidding, our material also. What is that one, sir? Tell me. Daniel material actually. Good. All right. Come on. How to install done? Installation is done actually. Good. Then it's a right time. Let me show you how to work actually. Let me show you what exactly. Now, once I done work, now in your laptop, you have to work actually. That is a process. Are you ready? Good. Now create a folder. Folder name will be, tell me, sir. Programs. Very good. Programs. Now come here and sorry, hand always goes on notepad. Open a command prompt. And here you need to open a command prompt. And here you need to run a command. What is that command name actually? What is the command name? Jupyter Notebook actually. Previously, one student had written classmate notebook actually. What is that one, sir? I literally got shocked actually, right? So Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Notebook, and yeah, It automatically hits the browser like this. It automatically hits the what exactly, sir? Browser like this actually. Maybe previous browser I didn't close it. Hold on. Delete one more time. Everything close. One more time. Programs. Let me open this folder, and instead of this location, open command prompt. And here you need to run a command. What is the command name, sir? Jupyter. Jupyter Notebook. And it hits the browser. Please don't close this command prompt. Backend, this command prompt supposed to run actually. Then by default it hits the browser. And be patient. See, you will get a browser like, you will get a browser what exactly, sir? Like this actually. These are all options. Don't worry. As of now, what is this file? View, settings, help? I will cover slowly by slowly. Okay, maybe that, give a right click. We have to open with a browser, sir. I will help you. Hold on. Now come here. Click on what exactly? Tell me. New. And this one is a notebook. Then the notebook will be get open actually. Now click on select. Now here, let me show you. Come on, look at my screen, please. I'm requesting everyone look at my screen. First example. These are all examples I am running actually in my notebook. First example, one function example. Let me write. Second example, one class example. Third example, loading CSV file. Is it fine for you? Three examples I'm planning. First is, let me create a normal function, and the next one is a class example. Like last one is loading the CSV file. Good. Sir, few people already know about these are all stuff. Thank you for this one. Please, I need everyone attention actually. Good. And now just try to come here. Here you need to write a function code actually. Yeah, how to write? Tell me how to write a function, sir. DEF, and let me just try to write a balance function or else normal function, wish function. And here, see, generally after providing, press enter button. What button? Enter button. Then indentation it is providing automatically. Did you notice that? Indentation in a notepad we need to provide manually, but in a Jupyter browser it is providing automatically. It is providing what exactly? That I hate, sir, frankly speaking. Why? Because you should know manually. But if you already know in a notepad, writing here you will enjoy. In a notepad there is no, this is more colorful, sir. Can I say that one? Yeah, keywords, function name, these are all more colorful actually. Print, I would like to say, double quote, good evening. Good evening. Yeah, successfully we created. Then what we need to do? Call the function. What we need to do? Yeah, wish actually. Now just right here, press what exactly? Yeah, this button. Yes, good evening. What exactly, sir? Good evening. One more point. This is called as a cell. This is called as what exactly? One cell we have written one function. In second cell, if you want, you can call this function one more time. Now just try to come here. Wish actually. Today completely do practice Jupyter. Today complete practice is what exactly? Jupyter only. Please, I'm requesting. Previously in a first cell, once you created a function in one Jupyter notebook, sir, that function is available whole over the notebook actually. Wherever you want, you can call. Now click on here, and what I need to do? What is output actually? Tell me. Good evening again actually. Can I call here one more time? Tell me, sir. You can call. Create a once time and you can call anywhere actually. Something like this. Are you getting? Good. Next one. Let me create a normal variable. Let me create what exactly? Normal variable. Yeah. A equals to 10. A equals to what exactly? 10. Click on enter button. Click on what exactly? Enter button. Run button. Yes. Once you create a variable, and which cell you have created a variable? Fourth cell. Now print of A. Shift enter. What is output? What is the run command actually? Shift plus enter. Just try to see you are getting an output. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Next one. B equals to 22. Enter, and print of what exactly? B. Print of what exactly? Sir, one shortcut I'm telling. Whenever you create a variable, sir, frankly speaking, if you are not using print also, it is okay, but I cannot recommend actually. Press B, and shift enter, still you are getting output actually. Still you are getting what exactly? But I won't like recommend actually. Here you have to use what exactly, sir? Tell me. Printer. Now just try to come here. Now press enter. Yeah, successfully I opened Jupyter. I explained how to create a function, how to create a variable. Now it's a right time. What I need to explain? How to create a class. Tim, are you getting your one? Anyone having any doubts? Very good, man. Very good. Let's move on. Any doubts? I'm happy to help you. Yeah. I can say friendly environment actually. It is a kind of some friendly environment. Now I need your help, sir. I wanted to create a class actually. I wanted to create what exactly? Class. Class. Let me just try to create a Daniel. Now def teaching self. Very good. Now just try to come here. Print. I would like to say data science teaching. Yeah, data science teaching. Successfully I have created a class and method actually. How to access method, sir? D equals to, very good, man. D dot what exactly? Perfectly all right. Now exactly we have created an example. Shift plus. So tell me, sir. Shift and enter. Wow, data science teaching actually. Two examples I explained. First one, I explained how to create a function. Second one, I explained how to create a class. Are you ready? Third example is, let me show you how to load the CSV file. How to load what exactly? Don't ask how to load CSV file. We already done actually. But the code is what exactly? Import pandas as a PD. Df equals to, come again, PD dot read underscore CSV, name of the file. Am I right? Good. Let me run that one also. Come on. Tell me. Import pandas as PD. Next one is df equals to pd dot read underscore CSV, and here sales one dot CSV. Now what I need to print, sir? Print of what exactly? Df. Are you ready? Good. Let's just try to run this one. Yeah, very good. Whenever you are running this example, what is the output you are going to get? Basically this file is not available in programs folder. This file is not available in where exactly? Then you will get a as usual error. That error name is called as a file found error. One more time. Good. Let me just try to run this one. Star symbol indicates to running in backend. Yeah, something like a some, what is this color, sir? Can I say rose color? Some color and color. Yeah, very good. There are some ads actually since our childhood. Let us take a, I mean, song will come instead of that ad actually. You know about the washing powder in my ad actually? Can you pronounce normally? Highly impossible. Washing. Yeah, exactly. So subject you have to prepare like that, sir. You guys are thinking wherever you go, this idiot will come to for what exactly? Subject only. Am I right? Yeah, good. Yes, sir. Tell me, sir, what is error name? File not found. Then what we need to do? Take the file, copy the file, save inside in program folder. Where exactly? Programs folder. Good, man. Now come here. Close up ad, Nirma, washing powder, and these are all amazing ads, sir. Go to 530. Data analysis pandas. All files. Where is the file? Yeah, this is the file. Copy this and paste inside in programs. Good. Now open the browser. What I need to do, sir? Tell me. Shift enter. Exactly. You got a successful output actually. You got what exactly? Successful output. But hold on, let me tell you. Do let me know what is the code you had written. Import pandas as a PD and df equals to pd dot read underscore CSV, sales one dot CSV. Am I right? And the print of df. Am I right? Do one thing. Delete the print of df. Run this one. It is okay. Successfully df is created. Don't use print statement. Just to use print here actually. Just to use the df here. Now shift enter. Did you understand the difference of the previous output and current output actually? Sir, can I say this is somewhat nicely formatted output actually? If you are using print, that box shape, that line, we are missing actually. Am I right? But if you are directly printing df, this is seriously nicely formatted output actually. Guys, are you getting? Let me show you one more time, come on. Let me just try to, I wanted to hear from you. JSON file I wanted to load actually. Tell me, sir. Import pandas as p. Next one is df equals to pd dot read underscore json. And here what is the file name? Sales1 dot json. Now run this one. What is output? Nice, man. Very nice. Go back and get the file. In another 15 minutes, we are entering into the session. Where is the JSON file? Copy this one and paste here. Can I give this one is a df1? Fine. Yeah, good. Now press enter button. Yeah. So if the symbol is like this, like a disable mode actually, this line is successfully run. This line is what exactly? Successfully run. Now df1, what we need to print actually? df1. Now just try to say, yeah, this output you got it successfully. It's very good. I have one question, sir. Inside in df1, I wanted to know how many rows and how many columns actually. Yeah, very good. I thought like you will be more smart. Already there, right? 500 rows and 4 columns actually. Good. df1 dot what exactly? Shape. I wanted to print all name of the columns. df1 dot columns. Very good. Nice. Seriously good. Now this example everyone try to do. Only this example everyone try to do actually. Now offline team, come and do this practice. Open a folder. Open Jupyter. Only this example. Take your own time. Arati, nice response. If anyone is not working, maybe some environment setup code actually, kindly please hold on. Team, are you working? Yeah. It is not working, sir. Okay. What is error, ma'am? Are you getting any error? Today onwards, you guys need to practice only in a Jupyter. Today onwards, try to practice only in what a Jupyter. Yeah. Online team, hold on. Online team, just now I'm back actually. I have supported to offline team. Who are all not working, don't worry. I will connect with you after 7. After 7, let me go to my home actually. Let me connect with any desk. I will help you. I will help you. Right? Can we continue? Are you done? How many of you done? Nice. You are able to see data frame, right? Yeah, good. How many of you guys are doing actually currently? Please, I will give it 2 to 3. Please finish this example. If you need any help also, you can check with your friends. Discuss, sir. Kindly please help with your friends also. Sir, na hotspot connect చేద్దాం. Okay. Last 2 minutes. We are entering into the live session. I know session is something like a tea actually. Now we are going to start. Perfect. Can I start session? I'm requesting if anyone having Anaconda, these are all environment actually. As of now, please uninstall that. What is that one? Uninstall actually. Because I will tell you, you don't know one process. This process help actually. No one cannot explain. Generally, Jupyter means everyone will think about the Anaconda. But Anaconda installation, it takes on an average 20 minutes time. How long time? But this Jupyter, it is just a matter of 2 to 3 minutes actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. But if you are familiar with the Anaconda, that is okay. That one also will help you in one day. Everyone stop discuss and look at my screen, sir. I'm sorry, I will follow as usual procedure. Okay, working where exactly? Notepad only. Why? Because I like that environment. We done Jupyter installation. Can I close this status actually? Sir, if anyone is facing issue, don't think like today is the last session. Please, I will help you. Now let us continue with the regular session. Everyone look at me, please. Can somebody tell me yesterday what is the topic? What is the running topic? Yeah, methods. How many methods we done? Yeah. So assuming that the object to the data frame, object to whom, sir? Data frame. Now these are all methods, sir. Sir, talk with me. Which one is a df dot head? Df dot what exactly? Head method. Next one is tail. Next one. Next one. Which one? Info. Okay, only two covered. It's okay. Now let me tell you today the method name is a. Okay, I will tell you the method name. Sir, hold on. Very, very important. Please focus on this one. Let us take a person. Let us take what exactly? Person. The person here will be, when I'm talking about the person, suddenly my company management task like, pull the information. Pull what exactly? Information. Or else get the information. Kindly get the total information. When my company is asking total information, first of all, name is required. What is required, sir? Tell me. First one is a name, Daniel. Next one will be age. Yes, sir. 16. Very good. Salary will be assuming that on an average $10,000. What exactly? Dollars actually. Just assuming that. Next one will be married, sir. Married actually. Yeah. Next one will be what exactly? Yes, sir. Tell me. Sir, it is a data science class actually. You can check with me. The last session, I guess, 404. Good. And next one, married. Yes. And the address will be, and kind of some KBHP housing board, and working as a data scientist. See, when I'm talking about the information, you know what? Keep on the information will come. Look at me. Same thing like that. I told I have created one object. Created what exactly? One object. That object name is a df. What is that object name? Now it's a right time. If you wanted to know almost 100% information about the object, I wanted to know the total information about this object. There is a one method. That method name is called as a info. What is that method? Sir, df dot info method you need to call. What method you need to call? Info method. One more time. Last time. Very good. Let me show you. Let me show you. Programs. Open a notepad. Open what exactly? Notepad. Sir, I like notepad actually. Please. Import. You don't uninstall Jupyter, please. Right? Import, tell me. Panda says PD. Next one is what exactly, sir? df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. And what is the file name? Sales1 dot csv. Print of df. Let us just have to print the data frame. Demo1 dot py. And all files, go to the desktop, save this example. Let's run this example. Let's run this example. 1 minute. Online team, hold on. Online team, hold on, sir. Color mode. This is not like a standard. Is it fine? Huh? Yeah, okay. Sir, how to go back? Please, yeah. Then now it is okay. Am I right? Open this one. Now run this one actually. Py, run this. Now what man, what is error name? File not found error. Go back and get the file. 530. Data analysis, all files. Sales1.csv. Sir, this is the best practice. Every time try to copy the file, paste the file. That would be great practice. It will be helpful for you. Please, I kind request actually. Yep. Yeah, data frame is created. Yeah, good. Now, if you wanted to know information about frame, if you wanted to know information about this data frame, I wanted to know first top 5 rows, sir. How to access actually? Head actually. Am I right? Very good. Now just try to see. I wanted to access last 5 rows. What I do? How to access? Tail. Very good. Now just try to see. Good. Now, very important enter question. If you wanted to know this object total information, if you wanted to know this object total information, you just need to call a method. Method name is called as what exactly? Tell me. But one point actually. What is the point? You know, you should not use print. Why? Because by default it prints all information. That point you need to catch actually. Are you getting your one? Good. I'm repeating one more time. Df dot just info method you can call. Hey, I will keep inside a print actually. Nothing will be happen. At last you will get output as a none. What is output actually? None actually. Now get ready. Wow, seriously very good, sir. Nice information actually. Nice information. Let us do small analysis. This is something like Telugulo in Telugu there is a nice proverb actually. What is a proverb? You know, తేగలాగితే మొత్తం కుదరదంటాం కదా. This is something like that. Touch the object, it gives a total information. It gives what exactly? Total information. What is information? You know, this is the first output. See, head method returning only one output, top 5 rows. Tail method returns only one output, bottom 5 rows actually. Shape attribute returns 2 outputs. First one is a rows, next one is a array. Man, whenever you are calling the info method, it brings lot of information. I will tell you. The first one is type of the object. First one is what exactly? What is the type of the object? Do let me know. Data frame type. What is the type? That is a one output actually. The next type will be array boss in the given data set 600 rows. Total how many rows actually? Indirectly it is representing with the index notation. What notation? Index notation. Started from 0 to 599. Yeah. First information is type of the object. Second information will be total number of rows. Internal it is representing with what exactly? Index notation. Next one will be total data columns. How many columns would you have? 4 columns. Very good. Now hold on. There is one table structure. I will explain this structure slowly by slowly. Focus on this one. There is a one hash symbol, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many columns? 4 columns. Started from 0, 1, 2, 3. Good. Second one is the column name. And what is the first column? Order ID, customer name, product, quantity. Next one is a non-null count. Yeah, I mean to say null count. What it mean, Sir, inside order ID, total 600 actually. Every cell having the data. Every cell having the data. Though every cell it is having the data, what is the values actually? 600. Let me do one thing. Open the file, delete one value in order ID. Now how many values you are going to get it? 590. Very good. Can we do that practice? Come on. Open the file and get the backup actually. And I would like to say this is the backup file. Can I make it? This one is 1A actually. Are you fine, sir? Here I will always take the backup of original file. That is a good practice actually. Don't change the original file. Open this one and open this one. And I wanted to delete one value exactly order ID. Come here. Where is order ID? Can I say this one? Delete this one, sir. Are you ready? Yeah, delete this one. I have deleted. Now go to the file. Sir, delete means just value you need to delete. Don't delete the file actually. Are you with me? Yeah, please. Now run the example. Did I saved or where I changed actually? 1A, sir. What is the file name actually? 1A. You thought like if output is not coming, you thought like you catch me, right? No. Now just try to come here. What I need to do here? Any idea? Yeah. In a notepad. One team, are you getting? Yeah. Now run this example. Super, sir. Now conclusion of the story. What exactly happened? Out of total 600 value, one value is missing. One value is what exactly? You know what? That missing value, it will be represented with NaN. Missing value represented with what exactly? To see that NaN, what you need to do, print off. Talk with me, sir. DF. Now check the output. Such a nice output, sir. Because we deleted the value, seems to be empty value, missing value. Missing values representation is what exactly? NaN. Tell me, NaN. What is the data type? Any idea? Float type. Float actually. Keep in mind that very, very important. Did you understand? But anyway, this missing values representation discussion would have a separate discussion. Chapter number 12 actually. During that time I can cover. Right now, just try to come here. Chapter number 12, NIT 530, data analysis. Keep in mind that handling missing value, chapter number 12. During this one, I will more actually. As of now, now just try to come here. As usual, I just wanted to load the same file actually. I just wanted to load the same file instead of 1A. Let me load the file. What is the file actually? Tell me. One only. Now let us just try to run this one. Yeah, exactly. Now I wanted to know the total information, sir. What I need to know? Tell me. I wanted to know total information. Tell me how to get it. df.info. Very good. Please be more active. Yeah, order ID means total values would have total. One point I would like to tell, sir, this value and this value should be matched. If it is not matching, seems to be this column having missing value. That is a recognize actually. If it is not, see, previously for 1A file, how many values we are getting? 599, then 600, 599, 600. How many values are missing? One value. Like that you need to recognize. Like that you need to recognize actually. Good. And this is the data type. This is what exactly? Data type. What is the data type actually? Do let me know. Integer. Tell me, sir. Next one is integer. D types. What do you mean? D types count actually. Integer, how many would you have? 1, 2. Integer 64, 2 would you have. Objects, how many do you have actually? 2 would you have. Seriously, very good. Oh my god, memory usage also. The total object size will be 18 KB. Total object size is what exactly? Do one thing. Go back, check the physical file size. The physical file size 21 KB. What is the size? But what is object size actually? 18 KB. Just memory reducer actually. Am I right or not, sir? I hope you understand very well. Let me talk with online team. How can we know the NN is the particular line actually? By using is NA method, we can do Begum. I'm sorry, sir. Swami, sir. We'll discuss actually. Swami, sir, we'll discuss. What if that missing value is the 300 line actually? Yeah, we can catch. We can catch that value. Sir, it will be executed without brackets also like that's what. As of now, you should not execute like this. Good. Anyway, the discussion came. I wanted to explain this one. Previously, someone also asked the same question. Rohit or someone actually. But let me tell you. Who is this one? Who is asking this question? Good. Sir, but this is not a good practice. But we have to use actually. But anyway, let me cover. Arati. One of our teammate, what our teammate is asking, df.info we need to call, but without brackets also it is working. What is that one? Without brackets. Go back and in our program, delete this one. We should not write like this. First point will be in mind that. But why we are getting output, I will tell you. Sir, I do have a sound experience in Python. I will tell you the reason with practically. Run this example. What is the example, sir? Sales one. We should get it, man. Print off. Yeah, exactly. Do let me know bound method it is printing info. Let us just try to call print off. Hold on, please. df dot what exactly? Head method. Do let me know what is the information it's supposed to print. Tell me. 5 rows. Now delete the parenthesis. Delete what exactly? Parenthesis. We should not delete, but now just try to check it out. Yeah, still we are getting the total what exactly, sir? Output actually. And it is telling something like, bound method, nd data frame, head method. I mean, it is writing some information. Let me show you one practical example. Frankly speaking, what example I'm covering, that is not that much important. Now, let us take as usual, df teaching. Focus on, please focus. Print off. Hello. Yeah. I wanted to access hello. How to access? D, very good, man. Object creation is required. D dot what is teaching? Nice. Call this one. Yeah, we are getting output. Am I right? Sir, what exactly happened? What we can do is come here. D dot teaching equals to take this one. What exactly we are doing? This method calling we are assigning into D dot teaching. This method calling we are assigning into what exactly? Here onwards, if you want, you can call d dot teaching only. I'm sure now also you will get the output. Check the program actually. Did you understand? Previously, we are using parenthesis symbol. Now what we are using actually without parenthesis, frankly speaking, not recommended. In real time, we are not using this one actually. Though someone asked a question, that's what I'm covering this point. This point, if you didn't understand also, no worries actually. With me? I need a response, man. Are you with me? Yes, very good, man. Now, can somebody help me? How many methods we covered, sir? How many methods we covered? Very good. Do let me know. What are methods actually? Df dot head method. Next one, df dot tail method. Next one, df dot info method. Very good. Move on to the good. I didn't open material till now. Go back directly. Info method. Yeah. Info is a predefined method in a data frame class. We can access info method by using data frame object only. This method returns the below information: type of object, range of object, number of columns, number of rows, the data type of each column, number of data types, total memory usage. Am I right or not, sir? It's not like a one information, lot of information it is returning. Good. Next one. Yeah, seems to be missing value. I am taking some missing value. With missing value, if any column having the missing value, what is the count actually? 599. So there is a file. That file I just need to share with you. Don't worry, I will share. Next method name is a count. What is the next method name? Count. Very, very important. Now look at the output, you will understand. Count method, what it will do, uh, in a column wise, how many values would you have, it will count. In a column, how many values would you have? How many values would you have? Do let me. 600. Next one is customer name. 600 actually. If missing values it is having, it will skip the missing value count. If it is having missing value, it will skip the missing value count actually. Good. Count is a predefined. Same thing we covered in series, I guess. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, I hope series also we covered. Count is a predefined method in data frame class. We can access count method by using a data frame object. This method returns number of non-null values for each column actually. Now just try to come here. I wanted to hear from you. Tell me. Import pandas as pd df equals to pd dot read underscore csv sales one dot csv. Here onwards, can we do one thing? Let us create a one variable. Variable name is a file. Very good. Let us provide here sales one dot csv. Now just try to come here. df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Can anyone help what I need to do? Very good, man. When I say file belongs to sales one. Now come here. Print of df. Print the data frame. Good. We got a data frame actually. Now here let us just try to call a method. Method name is count method. Column wise count I need, Daniel. Column wise count I need actually. Then you can access like this. Returns total. Hey man, first column 600. Respectively all columns counted. We are going to get it actually. Are you getting? 4 methods I covered. Head method, tail method, info method, count. One more time. Tail method, info method, count method. Missing values. If it is having missing values, you can call this count method also. Do you wanted to see that? Go back, let me show you. Take this file and print inside of this one. Good. Now here there are some missing values. Here there are what exactly, sir? Some missing values would we have? Where missing value, this quantity, there is no value. And first 1 2 3, this quantity having no values actually. Am I right or not? Yeah, first 3 rows no missing value. Now let us load this file, sir. Let us load this file. What is the file actually? Can somebody help me? Come here. Rename, copy. I'm very good in copy paste, sir. Come here, paste actually. Now run this. Observe here. Okay, did you understand? Quantity, how many missing values? 3. What exactly it is doing, count method, whenever it is counting actually, skipping the missing. Hey, best example, sir. Management to open the door. They came inside. They are counting. Do you think empty chair actually? No, head count matters. Missing value, missing chairs, they will ignore actually. Same thing like that. Count method, count the existing value. It skip the missing value. It skip what exactly? Missing value. For your kind information, open this file. Let me miss one more value. Yeah. Here, let me delete this one. Now, what is the count, sir? Tell me. 596. Very good. Check it out. Like this. Did you understand? 5 methods I covered. First one, head method, tail method, info method, count method. Oh, four methods on. Good. Next one, describe. Hey, very good method, sir. Same method I covered, I didn't cover series actually. Sir, same information. This method we are going to understand more and more in detail during math discussion. During what exactly? Math discussion actually. Where is the sound box? There. My voice is rebouncing, sir. Describe is a predefined method in a data frame class. We can access describe method by using a data frame object. This method returns a lot of values. What is the first value? Count. Next one, mean, standard deviation, minimum value, maximum value, 25%, 50%, 75%. This also called as a Q1, Q2, Q3. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. Also you can call. Come here. You can call a method. Method name is what exactly, you know? Let us just have to take here. Yeah. Yes, sir. Count is a method available inside in data frame object. If anyone is asking about this line, you need to respond. Count is method which is available inside in data frame object. This object belongs to data frame. This object belongs to what exactly? That point you need to understand. Now let us call a. Can I ask a question? What is output? Super, sir. One more time. Last time. Very good. Exactly. Attribute error. Nice. DESCRABE. Describe method. Describe. Hey man, it returns a lot of information. Yeah. And that too, this method works with only where are all numbers would you have. This method works with describe means works with the numbers, sir. Describe means works with what exactly? Numbers. Anyone knows stocks here? Like a stock trading, these are all. They're okay. There are only numbers actually. In a stock or trading, there are, that application is playing with the numbers here also. Count, order ID, these are all counts, sir. 600, 600. What is the minimum value? What is the minimum value? Do let me know. 1 in a quantity. What is the maximum value? 3 actually. And what is this 25%, 50%, 75%? As I told you, during math, there is a topic. The topic name is called as a 5-number summary. What is the topic name? Yeah, hold on. This we will understand more during math. During math, we will understand more. The topic name is a 5 numbers summary. 5 numbers exactly, sir. Summary. Yeah, hold on. I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, man. Good. Come on, sir. Talk with me. How many methods I covered? DF dot, head method, DF dot, next one, info method, next one, DF dot count method, next one, describe. See, these are all methods you have to note it actually. Keep in mind that. Okay. Next one, n unique. What is the next one? What do you mean by n unique? Series we covered actually. What do you mean by n unique? Number of unique values. What is that one? Number of unique values. Come on. Now, whenever you are calling that one, order ID, how many unique values would you have? 573. Means there are duplicate order IDs. There are what exactly? Why duplicate order ID? Any idea? Because assuming that today I opened in Amazon one item, one order ID will be generated. Am I right? Assuming that my wife opened Amazon, she ordered 3 items. She ordered how many? Instead of creating 3 order IDs, what they will do, they will map these 3 products with what exactly? One order ID. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, same thing like that. That's why duplicate it is having. Customer name, how many? Means you need to understand total 23 customers, 600 business actually. Am I right or not? Total 23 customers, then 600 transactions. How many transactions? 600 transactions. Next one, total 600 rows. How many unique products? 21. Am I right or not? That analysis is required. Like that you need to analysis actually. Are you getting or not? Yeah. Quantity. How many unique values? 3. Maybe it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be, but not 0. Am I right or not, sir? Good. 0 also can be available. And which you? Come again? Yeah, very good. Cancel. Assuming that you ordered one quantity. you won't like the product. Otherwise, 2 days you use it actually. You feel like you wanted to cancel. We can cancel if it is online actually. Am I right or not? Don't ask how you know actually. Yeah. Once you cancel, then order will be what exactly? Quantity will be zero. Quantity will be what exactly? Zero actually. Good. N unique method. Come here. N unique method. N unique method. N means number of unique values. N means what exactly, sir? Number of unique values. These are all called as a data analysis operation. Accessing single column from the data frame. Sir, damn sure enter a question, sir. Please focus on this. Damn sure enter a question. What is the time? Would you have enough time? A long back, I hold your hand. I promised one thing actually. What is that one, you know? Come here. Look at my screen. Go back. Go to material. And very good, sir. Someone already connected actually. Series introduction. Creating a series. Creating a series. What is this topic actually? Creating a series by column from. Yeah, that day I told one thing. Sir, don't worry. This point I can cover what exactly? Data frame discussion. Now the day came actually. If you select single column from the data frame, then I hope by this time you know about the data frame. That day, why I didn't cover, you know, because you data frame. That's what I didn't cover. If you select a single column from the data frame, then it returns a series object actually. It returns what exactly? Series object. This point we will learn during data frame chapter. What is this one? Thanks for understanding. That day I told thanks also. Am I right or not, sir? Now come here. Let us print the data frame. Let us print what exactly? Data frame. Sir, seriously interesting. This example. Look at me. Yeah. Total how many columns? Tell me, sir. 4 columns. Now you may ask a question. Harry Daniel, I don't want to print all data frame information. I just wanted to print only one column. I just wanted to print what exactly? Only one column information. Now let me talk. That column information can be product. I wanted to access only this column. Can I access actually? Sir, happily you can access. For your kind information, no limitation in pandas. You can do anything. No limitation till now. I'm sure I will give guarantee even in future also. You can do anything, man. In your hand, if you are having the data frame object actually, come on, tell me the operation you can perform actually. Now today operation will be, I'm printing the data frame which is having 4 columns. Array Daniel, can I access a single column? First column can I access? You can access. Second column can I access? You can access. Let me show you. Let me show you. Accessing single column, there are two scenarios. There are two cases actually. Case number 1, case number 2. What is the first one actually? Case number 1, case number 2. How to access the first case, you know? Tell me. Print of df dot df what exactly? Dot. What is the name of the column? Tell me, sir. Product. Now just try to see. Like this you can access. Df dot product. Df dot what exactly? Same syntax somewhere we use it actually. Where exactly? Come again. Same syntax we used. I wanted to hear from you. Exactly, sir. Can I say df dot shape actually? Am I right or not? So talk with me. Exactly. Like a column name, if you wanted to access, df dot column name we need to provide. What we need to provide? Column name we need to provide. Come on. Now come here. You can just try to come here. You can access this one. Now run this example. Wow, seriously very good. From the data frame, we are accessing what exactly? Single column actually. Did you understand? We are totally accessing a single column. That too, whenever you are trying to accessing a single column, what is the return type actually? Tell me, sir. Series. That to catch actually. And that too, the column name. What is the column name? Product. What is the length? 600. What is the data type? Object. Object actually. Sir, not only product. Array Daniel. Array Daniel. Can I access other column? You tell me which column you want actually. Which one? Order ID. Just hold on for order ID. Order ID and customer name, hold on. There is a small secret actually. And quantity, let us try to access. What is that one? Quantity. Yeah, come here and here you can access, talk with me. Print of df dot quantity. Very good. Yeah, come on, come on. Yeah, exactly. Array man, here I written, I'm running the code. On this example. Yeah, we are getting what exactly? Am I right? Sir, this is the scenario number one. Hold on. If you guys are asking customer name, I will tell you. Case number two, go for case number two. Frankly speaking, this is real time standard. We are using actually real time standard. Currently, we are using. This is Amirpet standard. What standard, sir? Amirpet standard. We are not using this standard, sir. When I say Amirpet, actually, I hope you know the standard. Good. When I say real time standard, DF of like this, square brackets you need to provide, name of the need to provide, something like this. Just try to see DF of like a square brackets actually, and within double quotes we need to provide what exactly? Product actually. Previously one student asked, sir, can I say this is the list actually? Sir, follow the syntax. Don't compare this is the list actually. This is the syntax. DF of square brackets within the double quotes, what we need to provide? Name of the column. What we need to provide? Name of the column. Use this syntax. Text. Now, just try to come here. You can use this one actually. Now, execute this example. Very good. Right. Now, this one actually, do let me know. Order ID. Good. Let me tell you. I hope you understand these two actually. Come here and take the same thing. And here, what I need to provide, sir? Square brackets, double quote, square brackets. Good. Now it's a right time you need to understand. Array Daniel, why this is the Amir standard? Why we are not using in real time? Why? Because sir, the syntax works very well. Look at me, please. The syntax works very well. If column having no space, if column having what exact? No space. Let me print the data frame once actually. Come here. Sorry, man. Let me print the data frame. Yeah, product valid actually. Df dot product, it is a valid. It is what exactly, sir? Valid actually. Good. Somebody already told, Array Daniel, try to access what exactly df dot. Go back, get this customer name actually. Get this what exactly? Customer name. Now just try to access the syntax. Sir, according to the Python standard, according to the naming convention, Python standard, assuming that this is something like instance variable, instance variable having what exactly? Some space. It won't work actually. Yeah, exactly. Then instead of this syntax, where we need to go actually? Come here, print of df of within double quotes. What I need to provide? Customer name. Did you understand? But this we are not using in real time. Out of curiosity, I'm covering that syntax actually. And this one we are using. This work for any variable, any name of the column. Either it is having the space or not, doesn't matter at all actually. Good man. Now just try to come here. Now you tell me which column name you wanted to print. I will print actually. Sir, come on, please, please look at my screen. Yeah, seriously, super. Order ID, customer name, product, quantity actually. Hey, instead of that one, do you think, can I use this one actually? No, sir. No. If you are using that one, you will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error. What is error? Syntax error. Invalid syntax. Perhaps you forget what exactly? Comma. It is suggesting some Britannia suggestions actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. What is it? Oh, 658. All right. If you access a single column, then it returns a series. If you access two columns, this I can cover tomorrow. This point. Just try to see df dot product we are accessing, and df product. Both syntaxes are valid actually, and accessing it two columns. This let me cover tomorrow. Did you understand today's session? Two things I covered. First one is a Jupyter installation. If anyone is not working, don't worry. I will connect with you. Second one will. I thought to close these methods. It's okay. We can close actually. Tomorrow topic will be, let me tell you, what is the tomorrow topic now? Renaming, indexing, and column names. The method topic tomorrow we can close on an average 15 minutes. On an average, what exactly? 15 minutes. Next thing is real time scenario. What is that scenario? Step number one, import the libraries. Step number two, load the data set. Load what exactly? Whenever you are loading the data set, what it returns? Data frame. Am I right? Assuming that data frame name is something like a ABC. Data frame name is what exactly, sir? I'm sorry. You have created a data frame. First column name is a ABC. Second column name is a order ID. Third column name is a DEF. Fourth column name is a customer name. Fourth column name is what exactly? Customer name. Order ID, we can understand. Customer name, we can understand. Hey man, what do you mean by ABC? Can I change instead of ABC product name? Actually, you can change. Tomorrow topic name is how to change name of the columns. How to change what exactly? Name of the columns. Very interesting topic. We can touch it. Tomorrow onwards, we are trying to touching the total data frame. First, sir, all our methods. All our what exactly? If you wanted to rename, you need to call a method. Method name is called as a rename. Method name is called as what exactly? Rename actually. Tomorrow we'll see. Are you getting your one? Fine then. We done for today's session. Online team, I trust you followed the session, sir. Sheila ma'am, we can access. Very good. We done for today's session. Today, complete day, complete spend with only Jupyter practice actually. Let me upload running notes and material. We are still with the methods topic only. I already uploaded and running notes is pending. If anything is pending, do let me know. Running notes is pending. Which one, sir? 5:30. Go to the running notes. Yeah. Good. Sir, you have to practice, sir. Without practice, you cannot remember actually. This is the technical stuff. Only in session, you can just gain the knowledge actually. But you cannot, if you wanted to get a wisdom, there is a difference actually. What do you mean by knowledge and what do you mean by wisdom? Wisdom means you should know when to apply. Knowledge means something. See, these are all objects of knowledge actually. But if I'm feeling thirsty, I'm drinking this water, that is called as a wisdom. Conclusion of the story, attending session, you can gain the knowledge. Attending the session, you can gain what exactly? Do more practice, that it will convert into wisdom actually. Please don't skip the practice. Please, I'm requesting. If you want, I can recommend you. So complete, leave everything and do more practice. One small tip I will give you, sir. I know I came from your age only. You're all youngsters actually. Skip all navigations actually. If you wanted to do the best practice and better practice, make your brain empty first. What we need to do? Empty. Empty means don't think about anything. Sir, I know even everyone having problems. For all your problems, only one thing is solution. What is that one? Job actually. Sir, what is that one? You don't want just for fun you joined? No, right? Think about that one. There is a one barrier in between us actually. Instead of job, you will think about your problems actually. Please stop that one. The best pattern is stop thinking about your problems. Think about what exactly, how to get a job. Only one way. Do more practice. What is that one? More practice actually. If I'm in your position, per day minimum 5 to 6 hours I will do practice, sir. Why? Because I don't have a job, but my job is to get a job. My job is what exactly? To get a job. When I will get a job actually? If you are having a really good subject, you are having what exactly? So without practice, please don't expect the job. Without subject, don't expect the job. Let me give one nice example. You are assuming that you are the Amazon company owner. Amazon company owner actually. You are having the software team. One of your friend came. In IT, friend, relative, politician doesn't matter, frankly speaking. One of your friend came and he is asking, I need a data scientist job. I need what job actually? Data scientist job. Definitely interview is required. What is required? Interview is required. He came for interview and he's telling I have a zero knowledge. He's telling what exactly? I have a zero knowledge. Frankly speaking, in a way, sir, I don't know in English how to say actually. Telugulo mahumatalu undu anamata. ఏమంటుందండి? In English, I don't know that word actually. You have to tell directly to your friend, go to Amirpet, go to what exactly? Amirpet, join one faculty. What is the faculty name? Sir, tell me, sir. Yeah, conclusion of this story. Even your friend also, if you are the software company owner, you are not giving the job. You are looking exactly subject. Every company will look at the subject only. When I entered into the Hyderabad, I learned really nice subject actually. Every interview, people are asking about the questions, but they're not asking, tell me where you came from, what is your background, is your father-in-law politician, how much properties should you have? Doesn't matter at all, frankly speaking. And what you studied also doesn't matter, sir. Luckily, you're all said actually. Luckily, you are in what exactly? IT said. All boys, if you do in shirt and clean shave, I'm sure you look like a software only. You look like what exactly? Software only. Am I right or not, sir? Please utilize this opportunity. This is really great and last opportunity in your career. So don't keep alternative. One of your friend may tell, "Arey boss, don't go for data science. Actually, it might be what exactly difficult." They may tell, "Sir, we traveled almost 2 months actually. At least, did you feel one day it is a difficult actually? Tell me." No doubt at all, till last you can feel the same thing actually. Please focus on your target only. Get a job, sir. Ignore all other avocations, please. Don't use the social networks. And all other avocation means, I hope you know, all youngsters actually. There are a lot of attractions in this world actually. Please avoid that one. I'm sorry. I don't want to touch your personal. That is a fact actually. Consider me as I'm your brother actually. Please do more practice. Are you getting or not, sir? Getting right? Yeah. Will you do more practice? Yeah. Please, minimum 2 hours practice is required. Minimum, maximum up to you. And do more revisions. Do what exactly? More revisions actually. Okay. All right. So we done for today's session. Thank you so much. Yeah.